Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the accounts and sync. As you can see above it, we've got whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got Google section again, and here we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing it. Let me tap on it, let's tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, or as you can see the fingerprint, you will have to enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts and sync, and we cannot see the Google anymore, so it means that for sure we just removed it successfully. So right now we can of course add new one. Just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and getting back to what I've just said, of course you can add plenty of Google accounts. You do not have to have only one of it. So from this we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and as you can see I've got it saved, so just tap on next after entering, and right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and as you can see you can check all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and let's get back. And as you can see here we've got our newly added Google account. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.